All right, what's going on, guys? So are Google ads or Facebook ads better to run in 2021? I get this question a lot. I actually get this question a lot in my DMs, not just on sales calls. I would really recommend that if you're an e-com store, you should be running Google ads and Facebook ads hand in hand, okay? Once you're able to prove the concept on Facebook, I just think Facebook is a lot better for impulse buys. It has an easier way to synchronize data. It's just a better attribution method, Facebook. If you're able to prove that sales model on Facebook, odds are you can then move to Google. Google will cost you a little bit more when you first start because you need to get more keyword-driven data so that you can scale and obviously get conversions and see what's working and see what hidden keywords might have been like something where it was very broad but winds up being your most effective one. Just requires a lot more money up front. You'll probably blow through $3 grand before you find the right data on Google Ads. If you already have prior data, then it's easy to scale it. For local businesses, I would run side and side Google and Facebook, just because like lead gen on Facebook is very effective. I do a lot of credit repair, plus Google ads can do very well if you do like native ads, display ads. If you're running high ticket coaching, I would run a lot of YouTube ads just because like if people are opting in through YouTube and they're willing to watch your webinar, because if people are already watching videos on YouTube, they're going to be more willing to watch your webinar video, just because the congruency of that YouTube ad to another video based offer is going to do a lot better than Facebook. Facebook's more for impulse things.